Alright, in our final video, we're going to look at how we actually use brackets together. Now, what brackets basically allows us to do in formulas is to say what should be done at what point. So, for example, if I wanted to add the two numbers 6 and 3 first, and then multiply it by the third number, which is 5, I would actually use the brackets. So to do that, I would simply come into E4, type in equals, and then I turn or select my open bracket. So I would go Shift 9, and you'll see the open bracket on the top of the 9 key. Then we type in B4 plus C4, round brackets, and then we want to multiply the total of those two numbers with number 3, which is D4. So all we simply go then is Shift 8, which gives us our star, and type in D4. So in this case here you can see the result is 45. So we're adding the two numbers in B4 and C4 first, and then we're multiplying it by D. So brackets are very important to control what gets calculated in the formula. Now, as we start to do more advanced videos and we look at advanced functions, the brackets will really come into their own to control when things are actually done. So it's very important to understand how to use this very simple function. And this is the last video in our calculations playlist. So if you liked all of these videos, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, and also make sure you hit the like button as well. Talk to you soon.